So what I'm going to do now is the fun bit. I'm going to take all this off and clean up the beard. So now it's all clean. You can feel it. You can see how the skin is basically oil free, but not dry. But it is clean, does feel clean. So what I enjoy using when doing lines and kind of like clean lines is the Feather Artist. In Japan it's basically like a shavette, but it takes blades. Very popular on Muazo. Blades just pop right in. The current blade that I'm using is the Pro Guard, so it's designed for, you could say, novices, or if you're not very confident shaving with a straight razor. It's not as, the blade doesn't protrude as much as a usual blade would, and it's got guards on it, molded guards that ease, that basically reduce, you could say, the possibility of cutting yourself. And this is going to be around the neck, around the bottom, and there, okie doke. And now I'll be using for this is another v76 product, and this is the Clean Shave. And what I like about this is it comes out like a gel, goes on like a cream, and it really works on softening or preparing the skin and softening the stubble. So I'll show you. I didn't really have to give it much of a shake, but look at that. And it's packed full of these little, I don't know if you can see it, but it's packed full of these little blue beads. And these little blue beads, what they have in them are basically just pockets of vitamin E and aloe and all the good stuff, all the stuff that makes, you know, that makes your skin happy. And the best thing to do is rub it in with your hands. You know, you can use a shave brush if you want, but I tend to use my hands. Get it in there. Oh, it feels nice. I'm also going to put it just here. Get a nice clean line. And just here. Now, let me just rinse this all off. It's quite simple. The blade is already hot. I've warmed the blade. It's nice and clean. And I'm just going to go in find out where the line is. Start from the bottom. Small strokes. Small strokes here. And don't scrape the skin. Try your best. Well, have some confidence in yourself and don't panic and allow the blade to do the cutting. Don't force it. I've seen videos where you're going in horizontal and scraping the skin. Do not do that. The Feather Artist has been designed, well, the new Feather Artist at least, have been designed with curved edges. And the whole idea is that they create the tension on the skin rather than you having to create great tension and then have an aggressive stroke. So it's kind of designed into it. So let's carry on. This is going to be the most complex part. Adam's apple, I have a pretty pointy one, so it's quite annoying. Can be a challenge, but here we go. Okay, now when you're going on the opposite side, so we've just done, let's say, dominant hand, right hand, you've done the right side quite easily. Now, some choose to go again with the right hand and down, or even swap hands and shave. I like to stay with my right hand just for the sake of confidence, and like to go across rather than away, if that makes sense. So let's carry on. So this is just the style. That I've developed over time. I've been using the Feather Artist for a couple of years now. Now I tend to go high with my line. Tend to take it not right up to the chin, but just under, rather than going across the neck from here. Or so you have some that go in, or starting from the far corner of the chin into the chin and around. I like to go just across in a small arc. Try this if it doesn't fall, that's like the frog. So you just put some tension on the bottom of the chin. And I'm happy with that. Okay. So I can see that the foam has done the way I like it. I like it when it breaks down ever so slightly because it's softened the skin and the hair, and I can see where I'm shaving. Try this next time. If you don't already, just fill up the cheeks and shave. So okie doke, I'm quite happy with that. Let's see. All I have to do is to rinse and sort out the tash and maybe add some beard oil. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and let's just get some light on me. There we go. So I'm back and everything's nice and clean. I washed it all out. Nice and soft. Again, this was the V76 clean shave. It's just packed full of vitamin E and aloe vera, and it really takes care of the skin. It does not feel irritated at all. Feels nice and soft. The beard, skin, feel like I can breathe, but yeah, it's good.